Best high heels for beginners and how to walk in them like a pro. Have you been searching for the most comfortable heels to wear as a beginner? Or do you struggle to maintain balance and stability while walking in high heels? If so, I understand how challenging it can be. Today, I'll show you the best high heels for beginners and how to walk in them like a pro. And at the end of this video, I will give you 4 tips to make it faster. First, you need to understand that walking in high heels with confidence and grace is an art that anyone can master with practice. Like a story of a woman named Emma who admired the elegance of high heels but had always felt intimidated by them. She would watch in awe as other women confidently strutted their stuff in towering stilettos. But whenever she tried to walk in heels herself, she felt unsteady and uncomfortable. She determined to conquer her fear. Emma decided to embark on a journey to become a high heel pro. She started by investing in a pair of low heels, perfect for beginners, and practiced walking in them. At first, she stumbled and wobbled, but with perseverance and patience, she gradually improved her balance and confidence. As Emma's skills grew, so did her collection of heels. She moved on to higher and more challenging styles, mastering the art of walking in wedges, pumps, and even platform heels. She studied videos online, practiced different techniques, and sought advice from seasoned heel wearers. Eventually, Emma's dedication paid off. She transformed from a hesitant beginner into a high heel pro. Her posture was impeccable, her strides were confident, and she could navigate any terrain with ease. Whether she was attending a fancy gala or simply strolling down the street, Emma radiated grace and sophistication in her heels. With each click-clack of her heels on the pavement, Emma was reminded of how far she had come on her journey. Walking in high heels had once seemed like an impossible feat. But now it was second nature to her. And as she confidently walked into the sunset, she knew that she had unlocked a skill that would stay with her for a lifetime. As a beginner, it's crucial to start with heels that provide stability and comfort. Here are some types of heels that are perfect for beginners. 1. Kitten heels. It has a manageable heel height, typically ranging from 1 to 2 inches. It provides a subtle lift without putting too much strain on your feet, making them perfect for prolonged wear. 2. Block heels. It features a wider, chunkier heel that provides more stability compared to stilettos. It will distribute your weights evenly across your foot, reducing the risk of wobbling or twisting your ankle. And comes in various heights. 3. Wedge heels. It offers a platform sole that extends from the heel to the ball of the foot, providing stability and support. Wedges offer a larger surface area for better balance than stilettos, which have a thin heels. Here are the additional tips I promised earlier. 1. Choose the correct size. 2. Practice walking on various surfaces. 3. Take your time, avoid rushing your progress. 4. Invest in high-quality footwear. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to my channel for similar videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload new content.